Imagine you are getting ready for a big road trip with friends. You are excited, but when you open the trunk to load your bags, you realize it's a disaster. Old stuff from previous trips, random items you don't need, and half of your essentials are missing. Would you just hit the road? Of course not. You would first clean out the trunk, sort through the clutter, pack what's important, and make sure everything is in place. This is exactly what data cleaning does for your data before you dive into analysis. Hey everyone, welcome back to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Today we have got an exciting topic lined up, data cleaning in data mining. I will be taking you through what data cleaning is, why it's super important, the steps involved, and some of the top tools you can use to make your data shine. And most importantly, at last, I have a surprise test for you guys on the same topic. Let's get started and turn your messy data into pure gold. Before jumping into the video, let's have a glance at data mining. Data mining is a process of uncovering patterns, trends, and valuable insights from large amounts of data. It helps people find hidden information that can guide better decisions in areas like businesses, healthcare, and more. Data pre-processing is an important step in the data mining process. It refers to the cleaning, transforming, and integrating of data in order to make it ready for analysis. By now, you must be curious about data cleaning. Let us understand what data cleaning actually is. Data cleaning. Data cleaning, also known as data cleansing or data scrubbing, is the process of identifying and collecting errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies in a data set to improve its quality and reliability. In simple terms, it involves making sure that the data you are working with is accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis. Now let's understand why data cleaning is important. Imagine trying to bake a cake with expired ingredients. Your final product would not turn out great, right? That's exactly why data cleaning is so important. If your data is messy, with errors, missing values, or duplicates, any analysis or insights you try to get from it won't be reliable. Clean data ensures that the results you get are accurate and trustworthy, helping you make better decisions. It's like starting with fresh quality ingredients. You will end up with a much better outcome. So, before diving into data analysis, always make sure your data is squeaky clean. Just a quick info for you guys. If you're really interested, then do kickstart your career in data analytics with Simplilearn's #1 Data Analyst Certification Program in collaboration with IBM. This action-packed course is designed to equip you with cutting-edge skills in SQL, Python, R, data visualization, and predictive analysis, all while working on real-world projects. With live classes by industry experts, exclusive masterclasses from IBM, and hands-on hackathons, you will gain the confidence and expertise to excel in the fast-growing world of analytics. Don't wait, join thousands of learners and take your career to the next level. Link to the course is in the description below. Let's now move on to the various steps involved in data cleaning. Step number 1 is data import and understanding. This step involves loading your raw data into a tool like Excel, Python, or R and getting a general sense of what's inside the dataset. For example, taking this table, you notice the following issues. The data for the age of one employee is missing. Duplicate entries for John Smith. Now moving on to the step number 2, that is remove duplicates. Sometimes the same data might be entered twice, either by accident or due to data merging. For example, John Smith has duplicates. So, you need to remove the duplicate rows where all the fields are identical. You can spot that John Smith has 2 identical rows, and after removing the duplicates, John Smith has only 1 row. Now moving on to the third step, that is handling missing data. Data is often incomplete, meaning some entries are missing important information. Some common ways to handle missing data are imputation, removing missing data, flag missing data, and etc. Taking an example, you see that Emma Johnson's age has a missing value in the age column. You can choose to fill this with the average age of employees or other techniques like imputation. So after handling the missing data, we can see that Emma Johnson's age is 38. Missing data can throw off your analysis or make the dataset incomplete, so you must handle it very carefully. Now moving on to the fourth step, that is correct structural errors. In this step, you correct issues such as inconsistent formatting. For example, you might see the department names recorded differently, like The department is human resource, and in one of the department is written HR. So after we handle it, it comes as the department should be written in the same format, either HR or human resources. Now moving on to the fifth step, that is standardization and normalization. This step ensures that your data uses the same format or scales. For example, John Smith has 50,000 salary and Jane Doe has a 60,000 salary, but the comma is missing. You might also normalize the salary values if you're going to compare them on a different scale, like scaling them between 0 and 1 for machine learning models. So after we handle it, either we write everything as same or we include comma in both. Now moving on to the next step, that is handling outliers. Outliers might include a very high salary that doesn't fit the usual pattern. For example, you notice that Mark Davis has a salary of such a high range. If you check the outlier, it is either real or an error. If mistake, you need to correct it. So after we handle it, we can name it as 90,000. Now moving on to the next step, that is the filter unnecessary data. You might find that some columns are not necessary for your analysis. For example, if you're analyzing the salary trends, you don't need the employee's favorite snack column if it is in your dataset. So we need to handle it and remove it for a better understanding. Now moving on to step number 8, that is handling inconsistent data. Sometimes data is recorded in different ways across your dataset. For example, someone wrote NY for New York while another person wrote New York completely. So, after handling the inconsistencies, either we choose NY or New York. Now moving on to the ninth step, that is data validation and integration checks. You ensure that the data follows logical rules. For example, you find an employee with a negative salary or an impossible age. That is, Mark Davis has -5 age and it has John Smith has negative salary. That is not possible. So after we handle it, we must be Mark Davis age as 45 and John Smith's salary as 50,000. Now the last but not the least, the last step is export clean data. Once you have cleaned the data, you save it in a format that's ready for analysis. Save the clean dataset in a file format that suits your tools like CSV, Excel, SQL. After all the cleaning, it's crucial to store your data correctly for future use or analysis. By following the steps, you're turning messy data into a clean, accurate, and consistent resource that's ready for analysis. Just like preparing ingredients for a great meal, clean data leads to better insights and smoother decision making. Now, performing all the steps manually can be a bit hectic, but that's where data cleaning tools came to the rescue. So, to make your work easy, I will tell you the top 6 tools for data cleaning. Let's jump into them. So, let's see what are the tools for data cleaning. The number one tool that comes is OpenRefine. OpenRefine is an open source tool designed for working with messy data. It helps clean, explore, and transform large data sets. It's perfect for users who need powerful data cleaning without breaking the bank since it's free. The second tool is Trifacta Wrangler. Trifacta Wrangler is a cloud-based tool that automates data preparation with smart suggestions for cleaning and transforming data. Its user-friendly interface and automation saves tons of time, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. The third is Tibco Clarity. Tibco Clarity helps businesses clean and standardize data, removing duplicates and ensuring accuracy. It offers powerful features for data validation and cleansing, all within a simple cloud-based platform. Now coming to the fourth one is WinPure. WinPure specializes in data cleansing and data duplication, making it easier to manage clean, accurate databases. It's a go-to for businesses that need to clean customer data or CRM systems efficiently. The second last one is Melissa Clean Suite. This tool focuses on data quality, helping companies clean and enrich their data with standardized formatting and validation. It's great for ensuring data consistency, especially for postal addresses and contact information. Last but not the least is Data Ladder. And Data Ladder provides tools for cleaning, matching, and deduplicating data, helping businesses manage their data more efficiently. Users love it for its reliability and effectiveness, especially when dealing with large volumes of data. Basically, there are a lot of tools available for data cleaning. Choose according to your need and requirement. So, Here is a question for you guys. I hope everyone will comment on your answer in the chat section, and let's see how many of you have really understood the topic. So the question is, which of the following is not a common data cleaning technique? And here are the options: removing duplicate records, handling missing data, normalizing data, and adding random noise to data. I will allot a time of 1 minute for you guys to answer this. So guys, that's a wrap up. I hope you have liked the video. If you have any questions, do comment and one of our experts will definitely get you back. Do like and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning with Simplilearn. Thank you for watching.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.